So I recently had a question about activated charcoal. What is it and what is it for? Well, activated charcoal is not the same as consuming the charcoal on your barbecue, so don't start chewing on that. The charcoal that you use when you barbecue is filled with toxic material, so you want to avoid that. This is something different. You can get these in little capsules or pills, okay? And what it is, it's something that will bind with poisons and toxins in your body and protect you. So if someone around the house, for example, accidentally consumes some poison, you can give them this and save their life. And you'd want to give it to them as quick as possible after they consumed it. And it will bind, and as it goes through the stomach and the digestive system, so it won't be absorbed, it goes all the way through. So the way it works is through adsorption. So if the molecule's like this, it gets stuck on the outside. It doesn't absorb on the inside. So it's really great if someone overdoses with a drug. It's great in a detox. It's great if you're exposed to mold and you want to get rid of mold through the system. It's also good for indigestion, flatulence, and even a hangover. So activated charcoal is very similar to bentonite clay, but this is more powerful in binding with poisons. All right? Thanks for watching. So I want to know what you're interested in as far as a future video. Click the link down below and share some ideas. I want to hear.